everybody, welcome to 307 country. Back on this 16 3/4 cant we got here. We're just going to cut some up real quick. My battery's getting low on the camera there, so we'll see how it goes, see how much I get. We'll fire up and get going. Well, so much for that. The pin on the crank handle for advancement, there's a roll pin in there in the end of that shaft, and I just broke both sides of that roll pin off. So I guess we're not going to cut right now. I got some repair work to do. We'll see after a bit. All right, so what happened was this pin right here, that roll pin there, spring pin, whatever, it sheared off. So this one's a little bit bigger. This is 7/32, and it's hardened. So hopefully that won't happen again. All right, let's try it again. See if we can get this thing to cut. I'm gonna cut a 2-inch slab off of this. I'll rip it the other way for some bat boards, and then I'm going to roll it 180 and get that other side squared up. got a piece here, 11 7/8 wide. So I'm going to measure up how much 1x I need to finish up my horse shelter here. Well, I probably need 8 1x12s basically is what they are. That'll leave me a pretty good cant. So, all right, let's cut some of them up. All right, I got all my 1x12s. Got 8 of those cut out of this cant. These are the 2 pieces I took off of that cant first. They're 2 inches thick. I'm gonna run them an inch wide, or 2 inches wide. I'm gonna run them an inch thick. Those will be batten boards for in between my boards up there. So we'll rip a bunch of that up. So what I do here, figured this out, when I'm ripping tall pieces like this, they tend to roll if I've got my clamps down very low or I don't have these other keepers stood up. So in order to help try to keep it square as I'm cutting it, I got a couple 2 by, I don't know, 2.5 pieces of wood there that I've got the slabs clamped in between. Helps keep them from rolling when I'm cutting them. Oh, there's my kid.
Howdy.
Oh, we got quite a few boards cut out of that piece. I still got a pretty good sized cant there to cut up for some whatever else I need. There's what we got. So, what is that, 8 1-bys? 1, 2, 8 1-bys. And about 30 1x2s for bat board. So that's something interesting too. This when we put this up the other day, that was been 2 weeks ago, we put those boards up tight, and you can see now we got, they've got a pretty good gap in there from drying out, which is fine. Just a horse shelter. So, and those bat boards will cover that gap up, keep the wind from howling through there too much. All right, well, that's probably what we're gonna do for this video. Next one, we'll be getting up the bat boards and cutting the tails on the rafters, getting that roof ready for some metal, and continuing on with the project. So be kind, everybody. Make somebody smile. Remember, love wins. We'll see you on the next one. 307 out.